Hello, everybody. Let's begin with the definitions which are associated with genetics, starting with the letter A. First one is acrocentric chromosome. A chromosome with the centromere near one end such that it has one long arm plus a stalk and a satellite. The next one is activators, a major class of transcription regulatory proteins in eukaryotes. Binding of these proteins regulatory DNA sequence associated with the specific genes determines the efficiency of the transcription initiation. Some bacterial genes are controlled by activators. The next one is adenine, a purine base found in DNA and RNA. In double-stranded DNA, adenine pairs with thymine, a pyrimidine, by hydrogen bonding. In double-stranded RNA, adenine pairs with uracil, a pyrimidine, by hydrogen bonding. Next one is agarose gel electrophoresis. It's an experimental procedure in which an electric field is used to move DNA or RNA molecules which are negatively charged through a gel matrix of agarose from the negative pole to the positive pole. Coming to alleles, one of the two or more alternative forms of a single gene that can exist at the same locus in the genome. All the alleles of a gene determine the same hereditary trait, that's seed color. But each gene has a unique nucleotide sequence which may result in different phenotypes. Example, yellow or green seeds. Coming to the next definition, that is allele frequency, it's a proportion of a particular allele at a locus within a gene pool. The sum of the allele frequencies at a given locus is 1. Allele specific oligonucleotide ASO hybridization, a procedure using PCR primers to distinguish alleles that differ by one base pair. Allopolyploidy, a condition in which a cell or organism has two or more genetically distinct sets of chromosomes that originate in different, though usually related species. Alternation of generation. It's a type of life cycle characteristics of green plants in which haploid cells, gametophytes, alternate with diploid cells that are sporophytes. Alternative polyadenylation. It's a process of generating different functional mRNAs from a single gene by cleavage and polyadenylation of a primary transcript at different poly A sites. Alternative splicing. In eukaryotes, a process for generating different functional mRNAs from a gene precursor mRNA, that is pre-mRNA, by incorporating different exons in the matured mRNA. Ames test. It's an assay that measures the ability of a chemical to cause mutations in a certain bacteria. It can identify potential carcinogens. An amino acid is any type of a small molecule containing a carboxyl group and amino group that are joined together in the form of polypeptides and proteins. Aminoacyl tRNA. It's a tRNA molecule that covalently binds to an amino acid, also called as charged tRNA. This complex brings the amino acid to the ribosome so that it can be used in polypeptide synthesis. tRNA synthetase. It's an enzyme that catalyzes the addition of a specific amino acid to tRNA for that amino acid. Amniocentesis. It's a procedure in which a sample of amniotic sac fluid is withdrawn from the amniotic sac of a developing fetus, and the cells are cultured and examined for the chromosomal abnormalities. Analysis of variance. It's a series of statistical procedures for determining whether the differences in the means of variable in two samples are significant for partitioning the variance into components. Anaphase, the stage in mitosis where the sister chromatids separate and migrate towards the opposite poles of the cell. Anaphase 1 is the stage in meiosis 1 when the chromosomes in each bivalent separate and begin moving towards opposite poles of the cell, wherein anaphase 2 is the stage in meiosis 2 when the sister chromatids are pulled to the opposite poles of the cells. It refers to an organism or a cell that has a chromosome number that is not an exact multiple of haploid set of chromosomes. Aneuploidy, any condition in which the number of chromosomes differ from an exact multiple of the normal haploid number in a cell or an organism. It commonly results from the gain or loss of individual chromosomes, but also can result from a duplication or deletion of parts of chromosomes. Antibody, it's a protein molecule that recognizes and binds to a foreign substance introduced into the organism. Anticodon, a group of three adjacent nucleotides in a tRNA molecule that pairs with a codon in mRNA by complementary base pairing. Antigen is any large molecule that stimulates the production of specific antibodies or binds specifically to an antibody. Antiparallel, in the case of double-stranded DNA, referring to the opposite orientations of the strand, with a 5' end on one strand paired with a 3' end of the other strand. Antisense mRNA. It's an mRNA transcribed from a clone gene that is complementary to the mRNA produced by the normal gene. Apoptosis. It's controlled process leading to cell death that is triggered by intracellular damage such or by external signals from neighboring cells, also called as programmed cell death. Aporepressor protein. It's an interactive repressor that is activated when bound to an effector molecule. Applied research. Research done with the objective of developing products or processes that can be commercialized or at least made available to humankind for practical benefit. Archaea prokaryotes. These are those organisms that constitute one of the three main evolutionary domains of organisms. Members of this domain are called as archaeans. Artificial selection, a process for deliberately changing the phenotypic traits of a population by determining which individuals will survive and reproduce. Attenuation, a regulatory mechanism in certain bacterial biosynthetic operons that controls gene expression by causing RNA polymerase to terminate transcription. Auto-replicating sequence ARS. It's a specific sequence in yeast chromosome that, when included as a part of an extra chromosomal circular DNA molecule, confers on that molecule the ability to replicate autonomously, one type of the eukaryotic replication. Autopolyploidy, a condition in which a cell or organism has two or more genetically distinct sets of chromosomes of the same species. Autosome, it's a chromosome that is other than the sex chromosome. A mutant strain of an organism that cannot synthesize a molecule required for growth, therefore must have the molecule supplied in the growth medium, also called as auxotrophic mutant or a nutritional mutant. Auxotrophic mutation, a mutation that affects an organism's ability to make a particular molecule essential for the growth. This is also called as nutritional mutation.